Here are some interesting GRE facts and statistics. More than 700,000 people take the GRE test every year around the world. That is quite very many people taking the GRE exam. Although, it is not as much as TOEFL, for example. Many thousands of universities and colleges around the world accept GRE exam for various programs. The GRE scores range from 130 to 170 points as the top score. The average GRE score is 150. The average GRE score may be rising every year. Probably because GRE test takers around the world are studying longer, harder, and smarter each year. This means that you should study harder too, and employ all possible GRE test preparation methods, tactics, and strategies, including GRE courses, a list of which you can find below in the description of this video. Now, the top possible GRE combined score is 340. 340 on combined sections. About only 1% of GRE test takers get the top verbal score each year, and 3% get the top quant score. A GRE exam score above 315 is considered a good GRE score. A GRE exam score above 330 is considered an excellent GRE score and opens many doors. The average GRE test score among all GRE test takers is about 300 points. This is the GRE score with which you can apply to many non-top colleges in the USA. I will post more videos about GRE test facts. How to study for GRE and GRE for beginners. See useful GRE info in the video description below. See you in the next video.